Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add popover like this in your WordPress blog using WPBakery and HT Mega Add-ons plugin. To add popover like this, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you log in to your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search bar, search HT Mega Add-on for WPBakery. Install this plugin and then activate it. After activation, go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now go to posts and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WPBakery page builder button and then click on backend editor. Now click on this add element button. You can see IT Mega Add-on section on top. Click on it. Here you can see IT Popover widget. Click on it. Now here you have to add content about your popover. I'm adding button text. Now click on show link. You can add link in this budget button. I'm hiding it. Add content, popover content. Just add link. I'm adding this one. You can use your own. Paste it here. Now add heading. Now save changes and review the changes. Now this pop-up button looks like this. Now we will add some content over it. For this, click on this plus button. Add heading and heading text. Save changes. Now add text block here. Add content and save changes. Now drag this section over the popover. Now review the changes. Now that's how you can add under your blog. Now go back to editor. Edit the popover. Now here we will change the direction. We can add show popover on left side. Now save changes and preview. Now when you click on it, it looks like this. Now we will animate a little bit more. For this, go back to editor, edit it, go to styling. Here you can change button alignment, space with button, popover space with button, popover area width. You can also add border. I'm adding solid border and border color to black. Now save changes and review the changes. Scroll down, click on it. Now you can see a black background border and popover looks like this. That's how you can add popover button like in your blog using WP Bakery Page Builder and IT Mega add-ons for WP Bakery plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.